Faster than previous. Still with the movement, but faster. Do you like baseball, soccer, basketball? Ready? Yeah. Speed on. 1, 2, 3, go.
Do you like baseball? Yes, I do. Do you like soccer? No, I don't. I like baseball. I like basketball, and I like ping pong. Do ping pong. Do you like badminton? Yes, I do. Do you like swimming? No, I don't. I like badminton, I like jogging, and I like volleyball. Do volleyball.
Okay, great. So again, your move getting slower when you remember the movement. Dan ya semakin slow. So now I need you to repeat this lyric. Repeat this lyric with still with movement 3 times. So we will sing along this lyric 3 times. Okay, 3 times. And when you repeat, please make it faster and faster than before. Do you like baseball? Yes, I do. And then what next? Do you like baseball? Yes, I do. And faster than before.
Do you like baseball?
Yes, I do. Okay, that point?
Yes.
Faster. Okay, get faster. And still remember the movement. I will check all of you when you close singing along the lyrics or the movement. I need you to come forward to fulfill this for me. Okay, ready? Yeah? So now please make it faster. We will sing along these lyrics 3 times. 3 times. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
Do you like baseball? Yes, I do. Do you like soccer? No, I don't.
Stop. Still with the movement, right? Baseball, soccer. Okay, make it more difficult. So I need you to split this 1, 2, this row. You are group 1. Split. 1, 2.